Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Zara Okbara, back again with another YouTube video. Now in this video I'm going to be sharing with you online business ideas you can start off as a university student. Now you do not necessarily need to be a university student to start out these businesses, but because I am one, I am specifically talking to university students that want to start up something but don't want to do it offline. I have made videos in the past talking about business ideas you can start out. You can check those videos out, but this video is specifically for the online space. Now if it's your first time dropping by, hi, please do not make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button down below. Now let's get started. Yeah. If it's your first time seeing this beautiful face here, hi, my name is Zara Okbara, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you online business ideas you can start out. Now I've made videos in the past, as I've said previously, on business ideas you can start. You can go check those videos out if you want to get like variety of ideas both online and offline, but this video is specifically for those that want to start up something online. Now the first business idea I have on here is social media management. Yes, social media management is a thing, and the perk about this is that you don't need to meet your customers, or you don't need to meet the person you're even working for. How does social media management work? You can be a social media manager for a brand that has both an online and offline presence, or even just an online presence. You just need to help the consumer meet the person, the producer. You're just like a link between both of them. I'm just going to use myself as an example. I once needed a service, and I contacted this guy for this service, and it took him like a week to respond to me, to get back to me. And when I met him physically, I was like, why did it take you so long? And he was like, he could not juggle between offline customers and online customers, and then he was so busy that he had to just focus mainly on the offline customers. And I was like, you could have lost me as a customer because you did not respond to me. I could have taken my business elsewhere. I could have taken what I wanted to do elsewhere. And he was like, he was sorry. And I said, you need someone that would be taking care of the online customer, that would be responding to your online customers, so you will not lose customers online. So you can pay the person, and the person will just be in charge of anything online while you do the offline work. And that was a great idea. So just to say, you can be a social media manager for a brand. You can reach out to a brand. Probably they might be looking for someone, or they might not even know that they need a social media manager. You can contact a brand to become a social media manager. Another business idea I have is content creation. You can be a content creator. What I'm doing right now is creating content. I'm creating content on business ideas you can start as a university student. There are different ways you can be a content creator. You can start up you can create content through blogs, you can create content through podcasts, you can create content through vlogging like YouTube. Now this is a visual content creation. This is visual. You're seeing me, I'm talking. While blogging, you just need to write and post on your blogs. Then podcasts, you just need your voice for it. Now to make money through YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I don't really know about blogs and podcasts, but I'm talking about the one that I'm doing right now, the one that you can see, and the one that I am very sure about. So you can create content, create value for people, so that if they search about something on YouTube, your video will pop out. If they search about something on Google, your posts will come up. If they search something on podcast, yours will definitely show, and you can definitely earn there. You do not need to meet anybody. You just need your phone or your laptop, or your phone and your laptop. As simple as that. Another business idea I'm going to share with you today is graphic designing. I have said this before in my previous video. Brands are springing up here and there. Every day a brand is coming up, and these brands need logo designs. These brands need flyers to advertise their work, and to do all these things they need a graphic designer. If you are good in graphics, if you can design a logo, if you can create flyers for people, you can be a graphic designer. It's something you can do online. You do not need to meet the person physically. You just need to create the design, send your account number, transfer your money, and you send their designs to them. You can also learn graphic designing. Now, this other business idea I'm going to share with you is online tutoring. So if you have if you know how to do something like makeup, if you know how to make up, you can teach it online for a fee. You can create a WhatsApp group and teach people online. You must have collected your money for them to learn it. You can teach baking, you can teach graphic designing, you can teach website designing, you can teach hairstyling, you can teach so many things online. Now, those people don't need to meet you physically to learn these things. It's easier that way. You can reach a broad audience through online tutoring. You can also teach subjects or courses online. All these are just easy ways of getting money without physically meeting the people you are teaching. Another business idea I have is freelancing. You can register under sites like Fiverr to render services for people. Now, Fiverr is a site that will link you to the people that will need your service. You just have to register under them and put your price there. If you can write for blogs, you can register under Fiverr. You might not even need to register under Fiverr. If you know a blogger that needs someone that will write for them, you can apply and make your money online. There are several ways of getting money online. You can be a website designer, you can start affiliate marketing, but because I don't know much about these ones, I'm just going to list them out for you. That's affiliate marketing and website designing. Website designing is literally like designing websites for people, and if you know how to do that, that's actually a very nice way of making money online. Now, I've come to the end of this video. Please do well to like this video. Please do well to subscribe down below if you want to get content like this. So now, till next time, bye.